Welcome again, friends. I hope you all well in your home. Now, today we are starting a new topic, that is the hallucinogens. આપણ બંને એક drug છે, like amphetamine. That is the MDMA and LSD. Hallucinogens means that drug can create a hallucination in the person who are the intoxication from them. Okay, let us see MDMA. So MDMA means methylene dioxymethamphetamine. Okay, so this is the modified amphetamine, but another name, that is the methylene dioxymethamphetamine. Okay, it is comes in different colors tablet, and which are the put into the sublingual for get a dose. Okay, let us see inner MDMA. So MDMA is similar to the mescaline and also known as the one of the club drugs or the rave drug. Do you hear about the rave party? It is situated and it is organized at the Goa and at the beach and etc etc. When the foreigners are the more, they are through the rave party. In the rave party, they distribute the drugs. So MDMA, it is the similar to the one drug which is known as a mescaline, and it is a club drug which is used into the club. It is supposed to interact with the serotonergic neurons into the CNS. So it believes it act on the serotonic receptor or the neurons into the central nervous system, which can release the serotonin more, and then more serotonin can create the hallucination. Okay, what are the acute symptoms? So first, euphoria, patient thinks હું બીજી દુનિયામાં છું. Okay, heightened sensual awareness, કે એની sensual awareness માં height મળે છે, એ પોતાની જાતને વધારે સારું સમજશે. And increase the psychic and emotional energy, કે એની psychic energy and emotional energy બંને increase થઈ જાય. That MDMA produce the less amount of the emotional liability. તો જે ઇમોશનલ લાયબિલિટીની અમાઉન્ટ થોડીક વધારશે. એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ ક્રિએટ ધ ડીપર્સનલાઇઝેશન, એ માણસને એમ થાય કે હું કોણ છું, ડીપર્સનલાઇઝેશન એન્ડ ડિસ્ટર્બન્સીસ ઓફ ધ થોટ. તો એમડીએમએ શું કરે છે કે ઇમોશનલ લાયબિલિટી મીન્સ આ મારું પત્ની છે, આ મારું બાળક છે, એ લાયબિલિટીને ઘટાડે છે. ઓકે, ડીપર્સનલાઇઝ કરે અને એના થોટ થોડાક ડિસ્ટર્બ થાય after the taking of the drug. Okay, so it is the more danger thing. Okay, what are the adverse effect? So in the MDMA, nausea, teeth grinding you find into the normal condition when the person is infected by the worms. Okay, દાંત કચકચાવે, blood vision, anxiety, panic attack and the psychosis are the adverse effect of the MDMA. MDMA has been associated with the sudden death due to the cardiac arrhythmia, કે કાર્ડિયાક એરિથમિયાના લીધે સડનલી ડેથ થવાના ચાન્સીસ MDMA માં જોવા મળશે. બીજા કોઈ ડ્રગમાં મેજોરિટી જોવા નહીં મળે, MDMA માં વધારે જોવા મળે. ઓકે, આગળ જોઈએ. So adverse effect of the methamphetamine, MDMA. So psychological, insomnia, aggressive behavior, paranoia, incest. Okay, then conversions, decrease appetite, increase alertness, irritability, slurred speech, dizziness, confusion, hallucination, obsessive behavior, depression, panic attacks. Into the systemic, you can find the hyperthermia, malnutrition, impaired immune system. In the circulatory system, you can see high blood pressure, vessel damage into the brain, clotting and the stroke. Into the heart again, you find the chest pain, rapid heart rate means tachycardia, heart attack, acute MI થવાના chances છે. Liver damage થશે, હિપેટોમેગાલી જોવા મળે. Eyes ની અંદર dilated pupil, mouth માં grinding of the teeth, skin માં sweating, numbness. Respiratory system, you can find the shortness of the breath. In the muscular system, you can find the jerky movement, tics, increased activities, and the convulsions, loss of the coordination, and the acute renal failure. You can see that adverse or the negative effect of the methamphetamine on the human body. Okay. What is the treatment? There is a no specific treatment for the acute overdose. Only symptomatic treatment you have give to your patient. Okay. Now we move on the another thing. Now another thing, that is the LSD. LSD means lysergic acid diethylamide. Okay. So it is a trade under the ODS. ODS means oral disintegrated strip. Okay. So disintegrating strip means which is dissolved into the mouth, and the drug on the strip which is absorbed through the sublingual area of the mouth. સો LSD જ્યારે શોધવામાં આવ્યું ત્યારે એવું કહેવાય કે એના ઇફેક્ટ અંગે એ લોકોએ વોલેન્ટિયર્સ માટે એડવર્ટાઇઝ મૂકી અને એ વોલેન્ટિયરમાં ભાગ લેનાર હતા એપલના ફાઉન્ડર સ્ટીવ જોબ્સ. ઓકે. તો સ્ટીવ જોબ્સનું એવું કહેવું છે કે આ ડ્રગ લેવાથી એમની કાર્યક્ષમતામાં વધારો આવે, પણ આ એક ડ્રગ છે, શોધવા માટે આવી હતી બીજા માટે, પણ એનું સાઇડ ઇફેક્ટ થાય છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ LSD. So LSD, another name are the acid or the blotters, is obtained from the rye fungus and is rapidly absorbed from the GIT with onset of the action in 30 to 40 minutes. So LSD presumably produce it effects by an action on the 5-HT levels into the brain. It is another act as the 5-HT serotonin receptors. Although tolerance and the psychological dependence or the withdrawal symptoms are the seen in this drug. Okay. So psychological dependence બંધાણ થઈ શકે છે અને withdrawal symptom પણ જોવા મળશે. So a common pattern of the LSD is a use is a strip, okay, or the trip. Occasional use followed by the long period of the abstinence. So strip તરીકે વધારે જોવા મળે છે. So sign and symptoms, somatic or the physical. Okay. So dizziness, dilated pupils, nausea, flushing, hypothermia, paresthesia, hyperactive reflexes, and the tremors you can see. Perceptual sign and symptom जो है तो altered changes into the vision and the hearing like a floating feelings, in illusions, sensation of the synesthesia or the seeing smell and hearing color. For example, seeing the smells and hearing colors. એને સ્મેલ દેખાય છે અને કલર સંભળાય છે. So that is the altered perceptions. Okay. So that is the one type of the hallucination or the illusions. Okay. Psychic sign and symptoms you can see: delusional ideation, body distortion, suspicious to the point of the toxic psychosis, depersonalization, and the loss of the sense of the time. કેટલા વાગ્યા છે, દિવસ છે કે રાત છે, he can't understand anything about it. Okay. So physical effects of the LSD, systemic, you can see increased temperature, pupils are the dilated, mouth dryness, into the circulatory system, hypertension you can see, musculoskeletal system, numbness, weakness, and the tremors are there. In the skin, profuse sweating is there. Into the circulatory system, increased heart rate, tachycardia is there, and into the gastric, nausea is there, because it is act on the 5-HT serotonin receptor. Okay. So these are the physical effect of the LSD. Now what is the treatment? So treatment means, in the treatment of the LSD, removing the patient from the aggravating situation, you can give the anxiolytic and the symptomatic treatment, not another specific treatment of the LSD is described into the any book. Okay. So friends, so thank you very much friends. Here we completed the this hallucinogens. Now we have only left 3 or 4 chapter like barbiturates, medicinal poison, war gases, and the drug dependence. That 4 chapters we have the left. We complete shortly, then we completed or the declared our toxicology syllabus is over. I hope you can enjoy the Hital madam lecture into the classroom. She post every time, daily one lecture on the asphyxia. I hope you like this toxicology lecture also. ઘણો સમય થયો, ક્વિઝ લીધી નથી. આના પછી બાર્બિચ્યુરેટ જોઈશું. સો એમ્ફેટામાઇન, એમડીએમએ, એલએસડી અને બાર્બિચ્યુરેટની ક્વિઝ લેવામાં આવશે, કમ્પલસરી છે. તમને રસ ન હોય તો પણ હમણાં જ્યાં સુધી કોલેજ ચાલુ ન થાય ત્યાં સુધી આટલું ભણવું પડશે. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.